So track fans, welcome back to the YouTube channel. And in case this happens to be your first time, please do me a favor to make sure you hit the subscribe button right now. We have a serious video about Briana Williams. Briana Williams was spotted with a man. They were kind of vibing, they were listening to music, and from the look of things, it seems she was on a training environment. She was training and preparing for Paris Olympic. Well, the guy seems to be very nice to her, but we cannot conclude that he is her fiancé. Yes, I would just say maybe they are friends, but them vibing and taking videos together does not conclude they are having a relationship together. And Briana Williams is a very decent girl. And let's forget about this and talk about Briana Williams future. Like, what do you expect from Briana Williams in Paris Olympic? Yes, let's talk about it, track fans. Do you believe that Briana Williams have something amazing to give us in Paris Olympic? What are your expectations? I would definitely be happy to hear all those expectations you have to see Briana Williams conquering and achieving. For me, I want Briana Williams. What I am expecting Briana Williams to do in Paris is to be able to make the 4x1 relay team, and to also be able to make I know the 100, she making the 100 meters is going to be impossible, because I mean, we have Sherika, we have Shelly, and again we have Ellen Johnson Hira. So the possibility of Briana Williams making the national trials, Jamaican trials in 100 and 200 individual is going to be something impossible, because Jamaica already have the strongest that are going to represent them, and I do believe they will definitely make the Jamaican trials. And I really do hope, like, my expectation for Briana Williams is to just make the 4x1 and to be able to get a gold medal.